Roboforex is a Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Belize. Here's a review of Roboforex. Key features: low minimum deposit of $10 for beginners to get started. Offers a wide range of trading instruments including Forex, stocks, ETFs, indices, and commodities. ETF trading with leverage up to 120 and over 8,400 instruments. Provides a user-friendly trading platform called R StocksTrader with advanced features like an expert advisor builder. Offers Islamic accounts and supports multiple account-based currencies. Competitive trading conditions with tight spreads and fast execution speeds. Regulated by the FSC of Belize and a member of the Financial Commission. Offers copy trading via the CopyFX platform. Provides VPS service and an analytics center with market analysis. Supports multiple trading platforms including MT4, MT5, and R StocksTrader. In summary, Roboforex offers a diverse range of trading products and platforms with competitive conditions, making it suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. Click the link in the description to open a Roboforex account.